Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta clutch slipping issues in manual transmission models and possible causes based on commonly documented and verified information. Clutch slipping in a Ford Fiesta generally refers to a condition where engine speed increases without a corresponding increase in vehicle speed, particularly under acceleration or when driving uphill. This may also be accompanied by a burning smell or difficulty maintaining speed under load. Verified information shows this concern has been observed across multiple Fiesta manual variants with differences depending on engine type, mileage, driving conditions, and maintenance history. One commonly documented cause involves clutch disc wear. Over time, the friction material on the clutch disc can wear down, reducing its ability to fully engage with the flywheel, which leads to slipping, especially at higher torque demands. Pressure plate degradation is another verified cause category. Loss of clamping force due to weakened pressure plate springs can prevent proper clutch engagement. Clutch contamination has also been documented. Oil or fluid leaks from the engine rear main seal or transmission input shaft seal can contaminate clutch surfaces and reduce friction. After these documented causes are introduced, it is important to clarify that this video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Additional potential contributing factors may include improper clutch adjustment in cable-operated systems or hydraulic issues in hydraulic clutch setups such as air in the system or internal master or slave cylinder wear. These factors are not present in every case but could be related depending on system configuration and inspection results. General guidance for addressing clutch slipping usually involves confirming the condition through driving assessment, inspecting for leaks, verifying clutch system operation, and replacing worn clutch components when required. Verified owner feedback trends indicate varied outcomes, with some vehicles requiring full clutch replacement while others resolve related hydraulic or adjustment issues depending on age and usage. In conclusion, Ford Fiesta clutch slipping concerns in manual transmission models are not linked to a single cause and may differ by model year, clutch design, and driving conditions. Accurate diagnosis is essential to determine the correct repair and avoid unnecessary component replacement. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.